the Honey Queen here, and I have a guest with me. This is Claudia.
Hello.
And I met her at a vendor fair. It was just before the holidays, like before Thanksgiving or Christmas time. And we were all doing like little demonstrations, and she happened to be demonstrating with Pampered Chef all these great ingredients, and she was using honey. Yay! So I have got a few recipes from her. I think my sangria, virgin's, yes, sangria that I did with the honey. And so we're gonna do today, can you tell them what we're gonna do?
So we are going to do this amazing dip that our family has loved, and it's the honey roasted red pepper and walnut dip. And honey is our star ingredient because we love using Cox's honey in our home. We use it for our teas, especially now that it's getting to be fall. You want the nutrients that come from the honey, and it's really good for your throat, and
definitely this time.
Also allergy season. So yeah, we love Cox's honey. My girls use it in their baking even, and in our cooking. My husband loves to put it on his chili.
Oh, that's
I thought it was kind of weird, but it's a thing.
My husband does it too. So, can you tell them how you kind of got into Pampered Chef in just a little nutshell?
Yes. So, a few years back, I actually was started into Pampered Chef, and then I kind of had to go on a little break because I had some health issues, and so got that taken care of. I came back because I always knew I was going to come back. Pampered Chef has just been one of my loves. I love to cook, and that was one of the things, and also because I love to be able to help other people get quality ingredients or quality tools to help them in their kitchen. And so this has been also a business that I could have from home. And so yeah, it's really fun. Anyway, so I've been with the company for a year and a half, and going for my directorship, so
nice.
Really exciting time.
So congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're going to start with red peppers. We have a jar of red peppers, and she's drained that. And we have walnuts. I'm trying to know what was this?
This is garlic.
Garlic, and you can use a clove of garlic or one that's already minced. You do have a mincer there, don't you?
Yeah. I do. So we have our garlic press, which is an amazing tool. It's very popular at Pampered Chef.
I love it. Olive oil, paprika, Himalayan salt. And why do you use Himalayan salt?
So we love using it in our family because it provides more nutrients for you than regular table salt. It's also brings out more flavors when you marry it in your meals.
All right, and we've got red pepper flakes. So these go a long way. So just a little, I think it's a 4th teaspoon. We'll tell you later about that. And we got lemon juice. You can do either a real lemon or just the lotus lemon juice. So
we're doing real lemon today.
Yay. Okay, get started.
And of course, the honey to do.
Yes, and the honey. We'll put that in.
Okay, awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and so this is called our deluxe cooking blender. It's an amazing. It's not just the regular blender. There's very few like these on the market. It retails at $350. So it's very comparable to those that are the very few that are cooking blenders on the market, because most blenders that are out there, they use friction to heat up the food, but this actually cooks it.
Oh, it cooks it.
It cooks it. It's
wow. Okay.
Really amazing. So anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and put all the ingredients in here. It's really quick. So let's see. Make sure that I have it on. Okay, there it goes. It's on now. All right, and so I'm kind of trying this backwards. But so we have here a 12-ounce jar of roasted bell peppers. Now, if you're one to go ahead and try your ingredients raw, organic, whatnot, you want to go ahead and roast your own red peppers. That's great. You can do that. So we're going to go ahead and put that in.
And we had drained it before.
Yes,
so
we drain it.
Alrighty. Jars, because I like to recycle.
Okay. And here we have the next step. Next ingredient is our walnuts. So we're putting in a couple walnuts now. Cook's tip here: you can roast your walnuts 10 to 12 minutes in a 350-degree oven. You could even sprinkle a little honey on it too. Yay! And that will bring out the oils in your nuts. And so we're gonna go ahead and put that in. And then we're gonna put in our garlic. And like we said before, you can put in whole cloves. And I actually like, you can peel it if you'd like, but that's what the garlic press is for. You don't even have to peel it. You could just put it straight in here and press it, and it you can just dump out the peel in the trash.
Very popular item.
Yes, very popular. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And it's so delicious. Okay, so then, oops, go ahead and do that. And then from then we're gonna go ahead and put in our olive oil. And now Pampered Chef also has a garlic infused olive oil that you can use. You know, so that's another option. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in there.
And all these came from Pampered Chef.
Yes, these are all
I've had those
Pampered
for
Chef.
years. I love them.
Definitely. So then here's our citrus press. This is very, very functional, and
Remember, you put it in upside down.
And yes, you do use. You put it upside down. I don't know if you can see that. So then we put it, and I'm like I was telling Virginia, I'm one to not really measure a lot. I kind of eyeball things.
And
now,
this or that, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So when you're baking, you do want to be more. Alright, and so then we have our honey, and oh, here it is. Alright, so like I said, I kind of eyeball it.
There's just
About
like
a tablespoon and a half. I mean, really, it's to your taste, tasting. And then we're gonna have our paprika, which is we already have it.
And that is
so
one teaspoon.
And then our pink Himalayan salt, and then we have our roasted red
Now, how
pepper
much of the
flakes.
Himalayan salt was that?
So that one's half a teaspoon.
Okay, and then only about
a fourth of a teaspoon, yeah. It's just, it gives it a little kick. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and, so I'm doing this backwards, guys, so let me see if I'm doing it the right way.
And this part I'll just...
There we go. Okay? Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and put, so this has 8 different programs on it. So you could do smoothies, you could do your almond milks. You can make your own almond milk. It does grind, it does jams and sauces.
Yummy.
So that's the 2 exclusive
Grinds
programs.
and cooks at the same time.
Yes. And so you can do your jams and sauces, and then it does also cook soups. You can do cook soup.
So you can see.
And you can also do, you can take your raw vegetables and actually puree them, and it cooks them as well. So you can do delicious puree.
For the juicer.
So anyway, so here we go. We're gonna go ahead and put it on grind for this. There we go. It's on grind, and then all you gotta do is just press.
6 minutes. We'll see you.
6 minutes.
6 minutes. Okay, that was only 3 minutes, really.
Yes.
So we're gonna take it out, and you said it has a self-cleaning mode, so you're taking
It does.
Yeah, we'll watch how that kind of takes place.
All right. So we're gonna go ahead and put our dip in our bowl, and it has, this is really cool. It has this little lever here. You could just push it up, and it's really easy. And you see, I don't know if you can see, it's really smooth.
And I've got some things we're gonna be serving it with. You can use fresh vegetables, or you can use grilled vegetables. Got some crackers here, and this is pita bread. And something that she did tell me is that she will toast this in your toaster.
In a toaster oven.
And then she cuts it up just like a pizza in little pieces to dip in there.
Get the last little bit of
But she just shows how the self-clean. So this is like Rosie the maid.
Yes, definitely. In fact, my director, that's what she calls it, Rosie the maid.
Oh, see, that's from my era, the Jetsons.
Yes, the Jetsons, definitely. Okay.
So this is a great time to have this because we got holidays coming and football season.
I'm gonna need water.
Water, okay. How much water?
3 cups.
3 cups.
And then just a bit of dish soap.
And a little bit of dish soap.
And so the pita bread, what I will usually do once it's you can do it raw if you want, or uncooked, I guess. Well, cooked, but you can also take a pizza cutter. We have our handy dandy pizza cutter right here, and I just cut it into 8s. And then you have these little wedges to eat with, to eat your dip with. And honestly, this also, you can also use it on flatbreads if you want to make a pizza without the traditional red sauce. You can use this as your pizza base, pizza sauce. You can also use it on as a spread on your sandwiches. So delicious.
See how much in? Just a drop?
Yep, just a little bit. Yep, that's perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and put it back on here.
Well, that's cleaning. We're gonna try our dip. So that takes how long to clean?
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Okay, you hear that little noise.
Oh, that kind of sounds like the Instant Pot.
Yes. And we have a pressure cooker at Pampered Chef as well, our own. So let's see, we put it heated wash. It's a pre-programmed button on there, and then you just hit start.
Well, that's cooking. I'm gonna try the carrot. What are you gonna try?
I'm gonna try the pita bread.
Oh my goodness. That was really good. I was a little skeptical when I saw the walnuts. I'm not a walnut fan. Okay, I didn't double
You
dip.
can't even taste, right?
Oh my goodness. Oh, that was delicious. All right, we'll be back. We'll see if we eat all this. Wow, that was amazing to see that happen. It's clean.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, so basically what I do afterwards is I just dump everything out. I rinse it, and then I just take a rag and just wipe it out and put it away. So it's really simple. It takes 3 minutes. You could even have it do it while you're eating dinner.
There you go.
It's really good. So,
oh, and you have some new products to show us before we
definitely.
end here.
So I'm gonna go ahead and cancel that. Okay, so we have a new season started at Pampered Chef. September started this new season, and we have some amazing products. These are just a few of the things that we have. Here we have our colander, and it's a V-shaped colander. It's great because it brings all your ingredients in, and it, you know, most colanders go
Or
like
strainers.
a bowl shaped, strainers are bowl shaped and stuff. So this is really perfect because everything comes right to the tip, especially if you're using it with narrow containers.
This is what I mind.
So here's our ladle that has a little strainer here for
Nice.
soups, and if you don't want the juice, you know,
I've
so
always
it's
wondered
perfect.
those.
I don't know if you can see the little strainer, the little holes right there. And then this, you know, usually around the holidays, a lot of people like to go to the store and buy those pre-made kits. So this is our gingerbread house. So you cook your things there in the oven, and also we carry the little things like you can make them for Halloween, for Christmas, for Easter, any holiday, and you'll always have them, so you don't have to keep buying kits.
That's very cool.
And then another one which is really popular right now, it's our pretzel making kit. So there's a little shaper right here. You shape your pretzels.
Okay.
And you, this is the kit that comes with it, but there's also another kit that has a few other things like the rolling thing that you cut. I forgot what it's called.
Pizza cutter?
It's not quite a pizza cutter, but it does shape
it. Okay.
And so this is the mat that comes with it, and then it literally tells you step by step what to do. So
something I would do.
You make it, you roll it, you mix it, shape it, dip it, brush it, and bake it. So it's everything right on here. So this is really popular.
And then you have some packets that you were
Yes.
You've got this.
Well, this is just, this is a roasting. This actually, you could put in the oven. So it looks like our, you know, where you put cupcakes.
I was thinking like a computer table.
No, so you can put your roast right on this. You have your pan down here. You just put it right into the oven. Bring it out.
I love this.
Yes. And so, okay, so we have October 1st. We have, this is unprecedented at Pampered Chef. We are starting this. It's they're called enrichables, and these are kale and fiber and pea protein. And the reason why this is such an amazing thing for me is that my daughters have celiac, and especially one of my daughters, she cannot process meats.
Oh.
And so for us, this is exciting. It's exciting news. It's not a what do you call it,
a new thing? Or?
It's not a meal replacement. Okay?
Oh, okay.
So it is to enhance your meals.
All right.
For better nutrition, for more added nutrition.
That's awesome.
So this, you get 2 cups of kale and 8 grams of fiber, and the fiber is in with chicory root.
Wow.
Fiber. And so this is yellow pea protein, and it's an amazing thing. It has so much value.
And this is for 2019, so make
Yes.
sure you get this. Like,
so this started
before
September.
Christmas.
Yes. So, and also you can use it as you can buy it as a one-time product, but you can also buy it as a subscription. So you can
okay, so you can
get it
come
into
every
your
month.
home every month. Exactly. And it comes in a 12 packages for each, but I know that you can save when you get both. So
Very
and then
cool.
so with the deluxe cooking blender, this month, September till September 30th, 2019, you can get this for 60% off.
Oh,
like
that's
I
a
said,
lot.
it retails at $350, but you can get it for $136, I believe.
Yeah.
So $139.60. So right now, so this is till September 30th, 2019. Great deal. So it's you're gonna definitely want one in your home.
Very cool. Well, thank you, Claudia, for bringing all this in, and thank you for the dip. I think I'm going to keep the dip here. Grandchildren, did you find the bee? I've got it right there, and I got another little tiny one right there. Okay, and be sure to subscribe to this channel and share it with other people so that they can taste this yummy, healthy food. I'm on Facebook. I got a honey cream group and a page. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest. I put the recipe below on Facebook and in Pinterest, and also on this YouTube here. You can find me also on Twitter. So have a sweet day. We'll see ya. Bye.